Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the first Haropla. So it only took Bandai nearly 40 years since the original series to finally put out a nice plastic model kit of Haro here, and we actually got 3 out already. There's the basic green, which I went for here, and then there's also a red version and an orange version out as well. I think they kind of did the green version here dirty by just giving it such a basic name there, but oh well. It's also marked that this is actually from Gonna Build Divers, so actually not technically from the original series, but we all know Haro from the original series, and different kind of variations of Haro have appeared in multiple series across the Gundam universe. But it's awesome to finally have this kit. I think this will be kind of the new kind of version of the petite guy that we had coming out in many different color variations and things for a while. I think this one will be much more fun to work with personally than the petite guy. As always, a huge thank you to USA Gundam Store for hooking me up with this kit. Guys, do check the link to their site down below. Use my coupon code there, ZakuAurelius10, save 10%. So first off, just really cool box art here, just nice, simple. You can see Haro there featured prominently on the front. You've got the Haropla logo there, the plastic model kit, Gonna Build Divers logo there. Down here, Bandai, and no tools, no glue required, easy assembly. On the bottom, we can see this is 001 in the Haropla line. On this side, it says no tools required for assembly. The inner mechanisms also have been recreated. That's really cool that they made some like inner detail for this as well. Love that. Here, this is showing it in actual size, apparently, so it's a 45 millimeters, so this is saying that this picture is the actual size, but that's actually smaller than what I was expecting it to be. Just like that, I was expecting it to be a little bit larger than that, so that's a little bit disappointing, the size, but we'll see once it's actually put together. It says hands and feet are also included. It says collect and enjoy, so there you can see the other two, the orange and the red variants there as well. And then around on the other side, we've got the list price of this guy coming in at 500 yen, very, very affordable. So I'm pretty excited. Let's see here. We've got the green looking very much more bright lime green than it did on the box. The box kind of looks a little bit more dull. Looks very bright here, but anyway, that we got there, and then a little bit of dark red, a little bit of bright red. We'll take a look more closely at those in a moment. Let's get a look at the instruction manual here, which is just one page, which will just fold out. Here's another feature that they're showing off, that the base for this is also puzzle piece shaped, so you can actually connect it together with the puzzle pieces of the HD Petite guys. So that's pretty cool. Here we've got our parts list and then just kind of assembly guide. So it's just kind of putting it together very simply. Of course, only going to be just a handful of parts. It should go together very quickly. And then just how to kind of put everything together. So it has you building it at first, just like with the arms and legs out, but then it kind of shows you how to close everything up. If you want to just display it as a ball, you have this little stand here for that. If you want to have it just kind of resting down on the ground like that. It looks like you can plug the limbs up underneath the base for storage. That's pretty cool. I didn't know it could do that. And then back around to the front here, I missed our color guide here at the bottom. We've got the colors there in Japanese and English if you want to recreate those. Okay, so unlike the Petite guy, there's no stickers included with this thing at all, but we do have a set of PC7 ball joint polycaps. A nice 3-color runner here for runner A1, some bright red for like inside the arms and legs, some of that lime green there, and then some gray across the top for the arms, legs, and the base. And then runner A2, obviously the main front and back half of the body, the hands, a couple of other like joint caps and things like that there, I guess. And then the inner workings part, which is in a darker red. It's a different color red from what we've got on the A1 runner. So that's pretty nice. Okay, so let me get this guy snapped up and then we'll see how he looks. Alrighty, and so here is the little guy all put together. It's not really, too much to look at. It's just kind of there. That's what it is. And that's what you get. It's a little Haro, and it's pretty cool. So one thing though I like that here on the back of the puzzle piece, you can have the little slots to store the little joint cap pieces. So this one that's plugged on there is the one from up underneath here. So if you have this all kind of self-contained, then you don't need to use that. So you can take this off. And if we just had him resting on top of here in ball form without any of this, you could plug that cap onto there and you have him all closed up and everything. As for the articulation, everything is just on a ball joint. So kind of the legs you can move around like so, the arms you can move around like so, the hand you can move around a bit, but the inside of the hand not really going to be looking that great anyway. So you're just going to kind of probably just have it like that. These flaps on the top will also move up and down like that, and that's pretty much it. Taking off the face plate is a little bit easier said than done. I think they could have made that a little bit easier so that you're not like pulling apart the entire kit to do so. But once you do have that off, again, that mechanical detail, everything on there inside does look pretty cool. Probably not going to be displaying that much, but if you do make some custom or something or have it damaged or some way where you're actually showing that, that will be pretty interesting. Now why exactly there's holes on the side of him which are covered up by these little cap parts here, I'm not exactly too sure. I'm guessing that might be something related to a future release. Also, when not in use, you can store the arm and leg parts up here underneath the base, which is really nice. So no matter how you're displaying it, everything can be kind of self-contained in here with this one little thing. You don't have to put like some separate parts like into a little bag or something, into a bin, or however you're going to keep those. Everything's contained here, and that's always nice. For a quick size comparison, here he is compared with a normal size HD 144 scale kit. So as you can see, it's pretty small. So there you have it, very simple, fun little kit that I'm looking forward to doing something interesting with. I don't really have any ideas quite yet at the moment, but I'm sure I'll think of something if it's not just, at least just a cool custom little color scheme for it. But that's going to be it for the review, guys. Hopefully that has been interesting. Like I said, I don't know if there's really too much interesting to learn about this. It's pretty much just face value. What you see is what you get, but it is a really nice little kit. It's smaller than what I was expecting, so that's one takeaway that I guess I would have taken out of this. So that will be it. Thank you guys so much, as always, for watching. Leave any further questions and comments down below. And as always, check out the link down below to USA Gundam Store. Thank you to them for sponsoring this. Use that coupon code there, ZakuAurelius10. As always, guys, hope you're having a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey! Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you want to check the kit out for yourself, you can head over to USA Gundam Store. Use that coupon code ZakuAurelius10. Save yourself 10%. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.